Everybody, hello. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Today, y'all, we have a very good recipe for you today. Today, I will be making my homemade oxtail soup. Yes, I've been waiting to do this recipe for y'all, so today I'm going to give it to you. We are going to start off with the ingredients. Okay, we have the oxtails. I washed them, cleaned them off, cut a little bit of the fat off, and then I rinsed them with vinegar. Let them sit for about a good 10 minutes, rinse them back off. That's how you handle your oxtails. I then took a half of an onion and cut the onion up and diced it. I have a whole red pepper. Okay, this is the ingredients for making about 5 to 6 oxtails. Red cooking wine. We have the huntz tomato sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, seasoning salt. I have some parsley. We're going to be using basil, some thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper. You're going to need that browning seasoning salt. Then I have the petite gold potatoes. So that's what we're going to be using today, some potatoes for the soup. And we are going to be using the frozen mixed vegetables. Okay, I'm going to use the frozen mixed vegetables that has the carrots, sweet peas, corn, green beans, and green peas all inside. I'm going to do it out of one pot here. I'm going to get my pot preheated. Put about 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil in. So we got the oxtails and everything ready. So what we're going to do is let, like I said, the oil get hot. That's why that's getting hot. Let's go ahead and baste everything. You're going to go ahead and take your oxtails. You're going to put them in. You're going to do your seasonings, okay? We're going to add in the onion powder, a little garlic salt, or you can use garlic powder. Today I'll be using a little garlic salt, just a little bit. Bit of black pepper. I'm going to use the thyme. I'm going to put just a little bit more thyme on it to make sure it's 1 whole teaspoon of thyme. With that being said, we're going to add the red cooking wine. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys, add like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of your wine on. I forgot to tell you, we got the huntz tomato sauce. That's what I'm going to use. You can also use the chunky tomatoes that's cut up in the can. You can use that as well, but that's what we're using today. We're going to go ahead and use Kitchen Banquet brown seasoning sauce, okay? That's going to give it that flavor and also a coloring. About a good half teaspoon of that. I'm going to throw in at least 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Then I'm going to add in my tomato paste, the whole can. Yes, I am using my hands. My hands is clean. Cleaned off the meat already, so we should be good to go. This is how we're gonna start preparing our soup, guys, okay? Let me go ahead and wash my hands. So let's go ahead and start adding our oxtails inside of our pan. Want to make sure you have enough olive oil now. I'm gonna put just a little bit more because I need to sear them. You want to make sure they get seared real good. Okay. So we're going to take a couple of these oxtails and we're going to put them in so they can sear. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. So once these seared, I'll come back and show you. We're going to take the rest of the mixture and we're going to take it over. You're going to add that to the pot. Guys. Okay, then from there, we're going to start adding water. Okay, so we're going to start adding the water.
You want it to go all the way over your meat and your potatoes.
And then you're going to take your potatoes. I like using petite. They cook faster and better for me. You can also slice them up if you like, but we're going to keep these whole. Just want to add a little bit more thyme. A little bit more thyme, guys. We're going to let this cook for a good 3 to 4 hours. I'll come back and tell you exactly how long it took. And then we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Stick with me now. This is well worth it. You're going to turn it on medium and let it cook. Okay, guys, I'm back. So the oxtails has cooked for about a good 3 hours. Okay, let them cook for about a good 3 hours. See, they're nice and tender. You want to kind of make sure that you want to take a little bit of the grease out your pan. If not, there you go. So with that being said, I already rinsed off the mixed vegetables. This is the kind that I get. I rinsed it off already. Some people just take it out the bag and pour it in, but I like to rinse my vegetables off. And then we are going to inquire inside of the oxtails. So we're going to inquire the vegetables inside of the oxtails. You want to give it a good mix. Okay.
It smells delicious in here, y'all. Yes. Okay. Then I'm going to give it another good mix here. All those spices, vegetables, potatoes. Look at that. Potato is already soft enough, really.
That is cooking good. See the oxtails? Nice and tender already. So I'm going to let it cook down for another good 30 to 45 minutes to cook these vegetables. And then I'm going to come back and show y'all the finishing result. Okay, guys. So come and look at this. So I let it cook when I added the vegetables for about another hour. Look at that. Meat falling off the bones in the oxtails. So potatoes start falling apart on their own. Delicious. Let's go ahead and get some in the bowl. Look at that. Be some good eating around here today. I got my cornbread. See, y'all, I went ahead and made some cornbread to go with it. Okay, let's get the tasting here. Here we go. It's hot.
And I gotta be honest, I do like a little fat on my oxtail. Look how tender that is.
It's delicious, y'all. This was one of my mom's favorite meals. It's good, but I can't get it like mama. But it's good. It's good. One of my mama's favorite dishes she used to make. She didn't have to wait till a Sunday. It was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whenever she get up and felt like it. So I thought about this. I wanted to fix it. I'm actually going to share with some people. I thank you guys for always showing me love. always showing up and showing out for me. I appreciate your time. It's very, very, very appreciative. I thank you. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Go down to the left of the screen. You'll see that subscribe button. It don't take long, couple seconds. Subscribe for me and share so other people can get in on my awesome recipes. I appreciate it. On Instagram, Facebook, Shimon Snyder, Shimon Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, and share for me. Thank you guys.